My name is Renee. I used to have stage 4 squamous cell carcinoma of the, I don't want to say. And I was so sick I couldn't feed myself. I couldn't do anything. I was one sick puppy. We used to travel a lot, and I couldn't travel, couldn't go to work, couldn't go to the grocery store, couldn't run errands, boating, flying. I laid in bed. That's all I could do was lay in bed and sleep, and someone would feed me, and everything was just simply taken away. My case was advanced enough. The doctor said I would need to combine conventional therapies with the BX.
PET scan shows numerous tumors, like 13 lymph nodes involved, a tumor about 4 inches by 2.5 inches, one spot on my inner thigh at least 3 inches across. It's round and big and tall, and numerous 1-inch round tumors, I would say. The top of my thigh, probably 4 of them. It does not look good.
I saw a oncologist, one of the top people in Boulder that does chemotherapy, and he held my hand and with tears in his eyes said, "I cannot do this. You will die. I'm just going to hook you up with hospice. There's nothing that we can do." He said, "What about radiation?" So I checked out tomotherapy, which is a very precise laser beam guided type radiation. And he thought I would need 40 to 45 treatments. At 25, they stopped the treatments and said, "We need to let you heal and check this out. We think all the cancer is gone." And he was very, very surprised. Apparently with squamous cell, they expect the margins to come back right away, and it's been over 5 months and the margins are completely clear. There was a lot of lymph nodes. I'm thinking maybe like 13 lymph nodes that had been involved, and all of the lymph nodes are clear. It had metastasized to my leg, multiple places. Everything is completely clear.
My tumors are completely gone. The one that was 4 by 2.5 inches, completely gone. The smaller ones, maybe about 1 inch around, they're about 4, they're all gone. So the large one on my thigh, probably 3.5 inches across and round and very tall, completely gone.
My squamous cell marker was above 13. It is now below 1, which is the lowest you can get. And the blood work is just, it's wonderful. You can see where everything that was bad has come down and everything that was good, that was low, has gone up. And every few weeks I get my blood work done, and it continues to trend in exactly the right direction. It's where it's supposed to be. I do not have cancer anymore. The radiologist oncologist that I work with originally gave me a 30% chance of surviving the treatment. Not surviving cancer, 30% chance of surviving the treatment. And not only did I survive that, but I'm great. He's so happy for me that I am doing so well, and he is blown away every time he examines me that the margins are clean and that I'm doing incredibly, incredibly well. I can eat, I can play, I can function with my family. I'm incredibly, incredibly blessed because I'm here. I'm here and I'm playing and I have my life back. And it is because I made the decision to move forward with the BX. And every day I wake up just filled with joy before my eyes are even open. It's like I'm 20 years younger, except this time I get to do it right. I went from being recommended that I just hook up with hospice and just lay down and die, to I can do the things that I love again. We go boating and we play and we chase each other around the house, and we spend time with our family and our loved ones and our friends, and we go flying, and we're planning a vacation. We're planning because there's tomorrow. And I didn't give up, and I didn't listen to mainstream doctors who just wanted to hook me up with hospice. And I'm so glad I made that choice. So glad that we found the BX. The last PET scan showed some slight glowing where there was healing, but no uptake from the sugar, which is what cancer would do. It would show a fast amount of uptake, and that did not exist. The PET scan shows it's clean, and when it comes time to do another one in another month or two, I'll do it, and it'll be clean again.